From my understanding, Poornima has been at Cognizant for a long time, and I'm curious to learn how her role has evolved over the years.
The digital revolution is not just about new technology, but new opportunity. My name is Anita, and I set out to talk to women leading the digital industry.
I joined Cognizant, in fact, in 2001. It's been a very interesting journey. While I started as a technical analyst, I moved into a sales support function fairly quickly. When people ask me what I do, I say I'm in sales. I consultatively help clients create solutions that are required for them to know how their business is performing and what they need to do for it to improve even further. If you know the data space well, it's about having limited resources, but a lot of expectations. So women have forever been able to manage that. That's going to become increasingly important because in the digital world, when everything is connected, you need people who can go from one world to the other seamlessly and collaborate, bring everyone together to a set of common goals. Those are the characteristics that I think women bring to the table. And that's what we need to tap into. Most often than not, people who are looking for careers want to learn. So I have to make sure that I create an environment where people want to stay, they want to, again, take the practice forward. I think I'm in a position to be able to shape interesting careers for others in this company. So there's a sense of responsibility also. Cognizant has given me the opportunity to explore my capabilities and my passion, regardless of the fact that I might not even be trained for certain roles. But they have the confidence that I have the ability to learn quickly. I'm an optimist by nature. We are possibly not creating a digital future for where people are in their abilities to adapt to the digital future. So the opportunity over there is to think with a human-centric approach, which is what we are creating at Cognizant. I'm actually optimistic about the fact that we can help people change and adapt to the digital future. We just need to think harder, be committed, shed our biases, lose our fears, and there's nothing stopping us.